Saan?
Dito.
Saan si 40?
Ayun, no?
40!
Ito, 3. The music.
Hindi ako makapasok. Ba't bigyan mo 101? Ito, mystery. Ito, may detective.
Ano to?
Warning! This
Warning.
game includes loud sound effect, mod strobe light, and sensitive content. For the best experience, wear headphones and play in the dark. We recommend you to take notes through that game. This will help you determine your final decision at the end. Enjoy! Yeah! Hello!
Uy!
Nice to
Nasa ano ah?
It's nice to finally meet you. I am Lucy, leader of Row Detective. Thank you for joining Row Detective. We are very glad that you
Yeah, bag.
have
Parang
come
ano to
to
ah.
help us.
Men in Black.
Today's mystery is at the Malbada Hotel. Lily Smith was found dead in her hotel room early hours this morning. Your job today is to find out what happened to Miss Smith.
Siyempre, binaril ko eh.
We have three suspects who might know what happened to her. Suspect
Scotty Jones.
number 1 is Scotty Jones, Miss Smith's friend. Suspect number 2 is Albert Hall, the owner of
Childish.
the Mabalda Hotel. And suspect 3 is Lauren Davis, a guest of the Marlborough Hotel. You will find out more
Wala picture.
about the suspect later.
May picture ba?
Now,
Tay?
let's head over to the Malbada Hotel and begin this investigation. Imbeskador! Andito na tayo. Lumipad ang aming team papunta sa Malbada Hotel. Saan na daan? Walang clear na daan kung saan pupunta. Dito?
Ito. Ito kay Ford.
Okay.
Ay, sarado.
Gago.
Sir, pwede ba mag-roll?
Yung ano ah, suspect number 2 ah.
Hello, Albert. We are Rome detectives, and we have investigation what happened to this week. Alright. I only have a limited amount of information about that. Could you tell us what you know? Miss Smith shared a hotel room with her friend Miss Jones. Miss Jones and Miss Smith and Miss Jones frequently roamed the hotel during the night. Okay. I looked at the CCTV and Miss Jones was roaming the hotel like that without Miss Smith. Thank you, Albert. We will be back for more information later as you are one of our suspects. Eh? A suspect? That's crazy. If you have any other questions, I'll be here. Ay naman.
Okay.
Okay, guys. This is the murder mystery. Sino ang ating suspect? Maghanap tayo ng clues. Evidence. We need to find evidence. Oh! What's this? Door handle. Sana may door handle. Walang door handle dito. Tapos bubuksan natin itong pintuan. Oh!
Here.
Meron ditong upstairs.
Ganyan ka.
Anong room niya, ano? Anong room? Anong room?
Lang.
13. Oh, hello! I am Cathy! Lily's friend! What are you doing over there? Hello, Cathy. Can we ask you a few questions? Please.
Yummy. Yummy.
Sure. Ask me anything. I hope you find out what happened to her. Is it true you and Lily from the hotel late at night? Oh, yes. We were exploring the hotel due to its history. The hotel's history. Haven't you heard? The hotel owner's family is full of murderers. The hotel is haunted and has many secrets. Why were you exploring the hotel by yourself last night? Where was Lily? Oh, me and Lily had an argument about something. She stayed in our room. Thank you, Kate. We are going to collect evidence from the room now. Go ahead. Good luck. Tangin na, magbabasa lang ito ng magbabasa eh. Toy, nasaan?
Meron din nga, meron din nga.
Toy, nasaan ka? Anong room yan?
Ito.
Wala ba nakalagay kung anong room?
Wala.
Dito. Nice.
Uy, boss.
Okay,
Uy.
gather evidence. Evidence number 1. Pera. Number 2 pala to.
Uy, ito.
Ayan, evidence na yan.
Evidence number 2.
Number 3. Okay. Evidence number 1, kailangan natin. Kailangan pa natin evidence number 1.
Ito. May sulat. Dito sa table. Basahin mo tayo.
Close. 1945, worldwide news. 2 men found dead in the basement of the hotel. Hotel manager Paul Hall and White Mary Hall were arrested for suspicion murder.
Evidence number 1. Evidence number 1. Considered people or more. Diyan na ako na evidence number 1 then.
Hindi, kulang pa tayo.
Okay.
Kulang pa tayo ng
Baka
evidence.
dyan pwede mo konti.
May evidence number 2 ako. Kailangan pa natin ng konti.
Ilan ba kailangan?
Aha! Evidence number 4. Ano na sa'yo, Toy? Ano evidence? 1, 2 akin.
1 ka. 1, 3.
1, 3? Okay na pala eh. Okay na tayo. Okay, shut the fuck up. Teka na. Okay, ito evidence natin.
Ay, hindi. Yung kutsi na tinago sa ano. Okay.
Scary. Okay. Evidence. Clothing button. Ano to, star? Unknown item. Star yan? Tanga ka ba? Okay. Weapon. Old notes. Pre, tingin pa kayo dito ah. Meron po.
May sulat din sa
May sulat din dito.
behind the door detective still file. basahin mo ang tama ang incident. Yung text forward tayo yung pressure members, the public are
Hmm.
some people have reported paranormal activity in the hotel.
Teka, dito. Basement. Hoy, ginagawa mo dito? Hi. I was just heading out. Hello, Laura. Lauren. Is that even your name? Can I talk for a quickie? Sure, why not? I don't care. I don't know. I don't know much, but it's ang bagal ng ano. What are you doing?
I was down here reading about the hotel and history. DJ, do you know about any secrets here? I don't know any secrets about the hotel. Sorry. Okay, if you know what happened to this man, I think the other little girl keeps sneaking around the hotel. I don't know. I heard the two girls have an argument. Now one of them said, interesting. Did you ever meet Miss Smith? I met Millie once. So something that was my own. What did she steal from you? That does not matter. It is so like some you can make your friend to start out of his need to go find something else.
Uy, dito. Diary entry 27. We have spent a few days searching for treasure. They had been trying to stop us. One of them is trying to protect it, and the other one is trying to get to it before us.
Like yung mga story sa taas.
Dito kayo yung pindot, baka may makuha kayo. Uy! Star! Wait lang. Uy mo star. Yun yung stars.
Pinapit ako doon. Sabi ko lang.
Note detective um, 2045. We have decided to close the current phase.
Uy, yung nakasunod dito.
The mall by the hotel is owned, so there will not speak up about the treasure. Relatives have hid many years ago. The couple remaining guilty of murder two men. The two men were
Everywhere.
supposedly seeking the
Started the whole. It started beyond those side, the treasure. Wow. Sa'yo word. What?
Pre, ang dami nating column na ano, shapes. Madami tayong column na shape. May makuha ba dito? Sa likod.
Okay. Okay, tayo.
Expect the unexpected.
Baby, you must not end move.
Lagay mo dun sa baba. Lagay mo dun sa baba, yung
A lot of pity cases, it wastes not time. Yan na lang. Putang ina sa amin. Saan? Asa ngayon? Wait, up. Don't eat. Don't eat fast food. Fucking unhealthy. Ito. Saan?
Ano yan?
Kaya may si Omar. Sino? Si Omar.
Ano yung hawak mo to eh? Ano yung hawak mo to eh?
Saan nga?
Ha? Saan? Lagyan mo dun.
Saan anymore?
Okay, sinong inaano nyo? Sino ang mayroong ano dito? Para sa akin yung kaibigan ni ano, Lily ang namatay sa kanya. Let's search the hotel for a plane. Chessboard.
Baby faces. Uy, ito.
Ayun.
Uy, ito. Uy. Uy.
Anong hotel to?
The fuck
Merong
is-
base sa likod ng hotel. Fuck, ano to?
Yari pa pa.
Uy!
Uy. Uy.
Si Lily.
Ito. Ano?
Hindi, nagulat na ako.
Ito. Follow the leader. Yari pa pa. Yari pa pa.
May nakita na kayo? Eh, nakuha ko na. Break na kayo. Oo. Wait, nahanap ko na. Ito. Uy, nice.
Sino?
Okay, sino suspect nyo?
Port mo gala.
Sino sa tingin nyo yung pumatay kay Lily?
Uy, gago. Sino eh? Nasa labas na.
May natakbo.
Yung ano ko.
Tumatakbo siya. Evidence.
Ito. Right.
Scouting.
Lock.
Block 9, reset. Uy, color games. Pinutin lahat ng mga pindot. Print? Yes. Pink, black, yellow.
Big offer.
Pink, black,
It's now.
yellow.
Ikaw, pinapopin mo.
Bottle. V, red. Green.
Dapat ka mo na magkakal.
Nabuksan ko na yan.
Uy, bilis na. Lawas ako tayo. Dark here, uy. Dark. Stop. Everything.
Oh, wait lang. Wait lang, may nakita ko si Audit eh.
Saan ito, Ford? Yung
5, red, green. Ano ba yan? Anong normal numero yan? V3?
ito.
Ang mali. Ilang ano yun? Ito yun?
Wait, number. Yung 3, 3. 5, 4. 5. Red.
Saan mo nakita yun? Ah, yun.
Ito, 6. Ano, 6? 6.
Saan nakapunta dito? Okay na yun, di ba?
6. Dito na. 48.
Saan nyo nakita yung ibang number? Oh, money! Let's go! We are rich! This must have been the treasure everyone was seeking. We are rich! Kaching! Let's go back to Orly. Parang ka makakaalis dito, nalaglag ka nga, di ba?
Ito ako, dito ako. Dark here na eh. So, ito. Wait, tira natin. Dark. Pink. Ay, ito. Ito ako.
Wait lang.
Ito.
Ano meron? Ah. Kulay pink ba yan? Photo.
Oo. Wait.
Para sa akin ito. Hindi, brown eh. Ah, dark hair. Hindi siya nga. Yung kaibigan nga.
Floating bottle. Wait lang, patingin ako ng bottle lang. Ito nga, wala eh. Okay. Wala. Ikaw yun. Ikaw. Positive. Ito. Ito. Putang ina mo.
Yeah, let's go! Ah, ito, tingnan mo to. Ito na dyan, final na to.
Ayan.
Ito boy. Para sa amin ito.
Una si Lauren, parang si Lauren kasi salbahe.
Hindi, dark
Parang
hair
si
eh.
Lauren
Dark hair siya eh, dark hair. Kaya siya lang yung dark hair dito.
Ay, galit. Wala siya mga.
No!
Sabi siya eh.
Paano? Paano siya? Eh. Ah.
Yawa mo siya rin.
Yeah, nakita na namin eh. So, gaga. Yay! 150 coins.
Ay, mali. Yun na yun. Tapos mo lang. Bakit mo?
Congrats!
Nalagay.